Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Tradovate to NinjaTrader 8. Basically, it's as simple as downloading NinjaTrader from the official website right here. And right after, you just want to open up the application and then enter your Tradovate username and password. From there, you will then be taken to this page. So the first thing that you want to do is to enable the multi-connection setting. You can find it inside Tools. Click on Settings, and from here you have the multi-provider settings. You want to make sure that this option is enabled in order to make sure that we are able to connect our Tradovate account to NinjaTrader. From there, you just want to click on Connections, click on Configure, and then you want to look for NinjaTrader. Double click on it to simply edit out your credentials. It will then be taken to the configured category on which you have to enter your Tradovate username, your Tradovate password, and from there you have to click on apply. You can also do this by signing in with Google or with Apple. As you can see, if we navigate through the official step, we can then look at it right here, which is entering the Tradovate username and password. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.